Hi everyone, today we are working on those upper body muscles, specifically in the neck and upper traps. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For our first exercise today, we are going to do a neck side bend and hold. So if you do have anything like a towel, we're going to use that just to keep that other shoulder from slowly creeping up, but it's definitely not needed. So you're going to bring that towel, drop it down to the floor, step on it, and then bring that arm down so that the towel and your arm are in one straight line and that shoulder can't go anywhere. You're going to bring the opposite free hand around the head to the ear, and you're going to gently pull to the side, trying to get that ear to touch that shoulder. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds, and then we're going to repeat on the other side. Now this is going to stretch those side neck muscles, specifically the SCM muscle. After that 30 seconds, you're going to release. We're going to switch hands and feet. Step on it again, make sure it's nice and taut. And wraps around the top of the head. Pull that head to your shoulder and hold for 30 seconds. Now there is a second exercise to do. This one, you're gonna take that same towel. You can switch sides or stay on the same, does not matter. Hand's not gonna go to the center of the back of your head. You're gonna look at your armpit that is up in the air, and then you're gonna tug your head down towards it, kind of like you're smelling your armpit. Now this stance, you're gonna hold for 30 seconds as well. And then after that 30 seconds, we're gonna switch. This one's gonna focus on those back muscles and that upper trap. For this exercise, we are going to be doing a foam roller chest stretch. So for this, you're gonna get a full 36-inch foam roller. You're gonna lay on it from butt to head. If your head does fall off of it, if you have a longer torso, that's okay. You're gonna put your arms straight up in front of you. You're gonna bring them down to 90 degrees like a goalpost. Rotate the back of those forearms down towards the floor, and we're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds. Now, if you notice that there is a gap between your low back and the foam roller, I want you to push that belly button straight down, cut off that gap, and then resume that arm stance. Again, 30-second hold here. After those 30 seconds, you're gonna bring those arms back up in front of you, give those shoulder blades a little shimmy to get the blood flowing back down to 90 degrees, forearms down to the ground, and we're gonna continue holding this for another 30 seconds, so you do it 2 times. This is gonna stretch both of those upper pecs and that upper trap muscle. For this next exercise, we're gonna be doing thread the needle. So for this one, you're gonna get down onto your hands and your knees. Hands are gonna be right underneath those shoulders, knees right underneath the hips, just like in a bird dog. So you're gonna take one hand, thread it straight underneath, so literally threading a needle, shoulder all the way down to the ground. Rest your head down if you can get it all the way down, and we're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, you're gonna slowly come back up, hand right underneath that shoulder again, and go with the opposite arm through the hole, and we're gonna hold this side for 30 seconds as well. You're gonna repeat this exercise 2 times on each side, and this is gonna help stretch all of those rib muscles, upper trap, neck, and everything in between. Thank you for following along for cervical phase number 1 stretching today. These exercises should be performed at least 1 time a day. Time of day is definitely up to you and what works best for your schedule. If you enjoyed following along with this video, please hit the subscription button below. And if you are looking for a lovely foam roller like we used in the video, you can look on our website or click the link in the description down below.